Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about an incredible natural remedy that can help you save your plants from various issues. Yes, you heard it right, cloves, water, and cinnamon. These simple ingredients not only have a beautiful scent but can also be a game changer for your plants. First, let's talk about cloves. Clove oil is a powerful natural pest repellent for various plants, including flowers and vegetables. To use this remedy, simply crush a few cloves and mix them with water. Make sure to adjust the ratio of water to cloves depending on the size of your plants. Spray the solution onto your plants, and you'll be glad you did. Next up is water. Hydration is key for healthy plants, and watering them with cinnamon-infused water can help you achieve that. Mix equal parts water and cinnamon powder, and water your plants accordingly. Cinnamon has antioxidants that help protect plants from various pests and diseases. Now, let's talk about cinnamon. Besides its delicious taste, cinnamon also has amazing benefits for your plants. It helps regulate plant growth and promotes healthy root systems. To use cinnamon for this purpose, simply sprinkle a few drops of cinnamon extract on the soil around your plants. This will not only help your plants repel pests but also improve their overall growth. Recipe never throw away again. Cloves, water, and cinnamon are incredible natural remedies that can help your plants thrive. Mix a few crushed cloves with water for pest repellent, water your plants with cinnamon-infused water for improved hydration, and add a few drops of cinnamon extract to the soil for healthy growth. Give it a try and watch your plants transform.